India Sisters Kitchen. This is Amu and
Lata.
Akka. Today I feel like eating spicy and sure tasting curry. What shall we do in the next vegetarian?
Okay, let's try Ennai Kathirikai Kulambu. Everyone does it in their own way. We will do our mom style cooking, which is easy and simple.
Before that, please subscribe to India Sisters Kitchen channel. Click the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever we post a video.
Okay, let's start. Let's start making the curry. For that, we have to grind the ingredients in a mixie. We have 250 grams of small onions ready. If you don't have small onions, you can use 2 big onions. With that, 20 cloves of garlic. Let's grind it together. Don't grind it too smoother. Grind it to a 80% level. Ground onion and garlic are ready. Next, let's grind tomatoes and other ingredients. Add 3 medium-sized tomatoes. With that, add half teaspoon pepper, 3 tablespoons of chilli powder, 3 tablespoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1.5 teaspoon of salt. Add some water and grind it. Ground tomatoes and other ingredients are ready. Next, let's have a pan on the stove and add 6 tablespoons of gingerly oil and heat it. This recipe takes more oil to cook. Oil heated, now add 1 teaspoon of mustard, 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek. With that, add the ground onion and garlic. Saute nicely for a while until it curls and turns color. Add some curry leaves and saute.
Akka, you continue to saute. Meantime, shall I cut the brinjal into 4 on top of the brinjal, stuff with masala and have it ready?
Yes, sure. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of Asafoetida.
This curry is not just for rice, a perfect combination also with ragi kali. With kali, it's tastier. This curry is called fish curry without fish. I don't know how many of you know kali or how many eat kali. If you do, please try with this curry. It's excellent taste.
Yes. The onion and garlic sauteed well and the oil separated nicely. Now add the stuffed brinjal into this. Saute the brinjal until the color turns a little. Brinjal sauteed and the color changes a little. At this point, add the ground masala into it. Saute until the raw smell goes away.
Oil must separate, right?
Yes, oil should separate. Until then, continue to saute. Now the raw smell is gone, oil is separated and the brinjal is cooked. At this point, add 3 cups of water and mix it well. Mix it well and close the lid for 10 minutes. It should be cooked well by then. Keep mixing in between once in a while. Curry has cooked nicely. Oil has separated and brinjal is cooked well. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek powder. With that, I have a small lemon-sized tamarind water ready. Add that as well. Mix well and leave it for 2 minutes to cook. Add some coriander leaves. That's it. Superb Ennai Kathirikai Kulambu is ready. Please try making this recipe and let us know how it tasted in the comments.
If you like this video, please like, share and comment. We will meet you with another wonderful recipe. Thanks for watching our video.